What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here at the Deviate HQ, and we're getting some low trim work truck LT Trail Boss Z71 bumpers, tube bumpers, the new tube style bumpers for the lower trim trucks. We're getting that installed. We have the first prototypes today. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. I got some super exciting news for us ZR2 homies. It's gonna come right in time for the new year. All right, everybody, we got the bumpers installed on the LT. Come check out the bumper. It looks pretty freaking sweet. I really do like the tube sequencing. I can't talk today. Tube sequencing between the LT, the Z71, the Trail Boss, and the work truck. This bumper will fit. I like how it has it's more kind of intricate right here. You know what I mean? This one kind of comes up super high clearance. Same as that one, but this one adds a couple, like another tube to it, and I kind of dig that look. And it comes with the optional bull bar also. So I'm not sure if that's gonna come with it, but it might. And then I really like the fine details on the end caps right there. They're looking pretty sweet. And this is gonna be the same cut line as the Spec Series bumper. So if you guys have the Spec Series, you guys can always upgrade to the tube style. I really like the tube style. It's kind of my new favorite thing right now is the tube style. Super high clearance, no winch on this one, but honestly, 99.999% of the time, you're never gonna need a winch. I never did for everything I did, and you just need a little tug sometimes, you know? And you got some recovery points still on this side right here on left and right side. So those are gusseted toe points, so you can pull off that right there. And then in the front, your light bar options, I think it's a, what is it, a 30 or 20? 20. It's a 20-inch light bar in the center, and then you can run pods, because I think this one's a 20, and you can run pods off the side also, like that. Or you could probably, I don't know. We'll see when it comes out, but this is a first prototype edition for the lower trim Colorados, and I really dig the look of this tube style bumper. This one's gonna be super high clearance considering like the lower trim trucks. It pretty much sits about like right here, so you get an extra like foot and a half of extra ground clearance, and you got a lot of tire to be able to hop on stuff right here, more room instead of hitting your bumper. Super high clearance side pod area like this, and this one is a one-piece design. I know previously on the first prototype it was a three-piece I mean, but this one's gonna be a full one-piece. Less nuts and bolts to deal with, and then it has a nice steel skid plate right here, and this one's not going to offer a winch. I think I already talked about that, but no winch on this one, just to keep it super high clearance, because the way that these trucks are made, the frame rails are really, what's the word, fucking narrow. They're a lot more narrow, and your radiators right there and intercooler and everything, so that's why there's no winch on this one. The winch is on the spec, so if you want the spec, you can go and get the spec, but if you want a super high clearance front tube style bumper, this one's going to be the one you want. Also, shout out to Chevy for not making any stupid sensors in the front that ding at you and everything, so it makes everything super easy as it goes for like running everything factory. There's no sensors on the front of the bumper, which is really cool, because dealing with sensors on the front bumper is just not the whole vibe. So thankfully, our adaptive cruise control module and sensor is up in the windshield, so we don't have to deal with that when we do bumpers. So it'll drive pretty much OEM. As it goes for price, it's probably going to be roughly the same, probably like the same price as the ZR2 one and the Bronco one, probably roughly the same price. I have no details, but I'm just kind of guessing. It is a prototype, first prototype for the lower trim trucks. So there's some little things that they got to work out and figure out, and that's just prototyping right there. But it's going to take a little bit for them to be production ready to go. So we're looking about like 6 months, maybe a little bit less, depending. But just wait for it, and make sure to use my code Downtime Lost if you guys are thinking about it. So we got this one, and exciting news too. So whenever the ZR2 bumpers come out, which is, what I say, February? So February, March time that the ZR2 Tube Series bumpers are coming out, but whenever the Tube style comes out, they're gonna be, the rear will work for the lower trim trucks. So the sweet rear that I have, you guys can purchase that when the ZR2 ones come out. I think the ZR2 and the Tube rear are gonna be around the same time. It's definitely gonna be here before the lower trim Tube style front bumper. So if you guys are waiting on the rear for the lower trucks, these will work. And they also still retain all your sensors, your blind spot monitors, all that stuff you get from the factory, you get on this one too right here. So make sure to keep an eye out on that one. But that's some good news for, you know, us Colorado guys. The rears are all kind of the same. They're literally the same thing between GMC. So if you have a GMC, you can also get the Tube rear. And I love the Tube rear. It's done me good. And also on the skid plate in the front and the panels on the side, they do come out as this cool gray color, but you can also remove those and then paint match them if you want, or you can even pull them, spray paint them if you want. I really like the gray color it has on there. It kind of just matches everything on the truck, so you can also do that if you want. And as you can tell on my ZR2 Tube bumper, I've smashed the shit out of this thing, and she's been dialed. She's straight as a arrow right now. I've like bottomed it out by jumping on the skid plate, and we did not bend it or anything like that. We just have a couple little scratches from rocks, but that's about it. She's been super dialed, and I'm loving the Tube style bumper. So I'm excited for you guys with the lower trim trucks to be able to get the Tube style front bumper and be part of the Tube family. Also guys, make sure to go to Deviate and my Instagram. We're doing a giveaway for the ZR2-Spec Series Front Bumper. It's gonna be, all the details are gonna be down in the description. So if you guys wanna enter into that giveaway, make sure to follow those directions very closely so you guys can maybe have a ZR2-Spec Series bumper for your truck for a little holiday surprise, you know? So make sure to do that. It's gonna be super exciting. I'm super stoked that we can do that for you guys and get you guys a ZR2-Spec Series front for the ZR2 only. So it's only for the ZR2, but if you guys want that, make sure to follow those details. All right guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the new low trim Tube style bumpers. Throw it down in the comments, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and I'll keep you guys updated on the YouTube channel about when they're getting released and the time frames and everything like that. But like I said, make sure to go check out that Instagram post. I'll link it down in the description here so you guys can go enter to win for the ZR2 Spec Series front bumper from Deviate and I. We're offering that for you guys for the New Year's holiday season. I'm excited to give out the winner, and make sure to follow those directions down below on the Instagram post so you guys can enter correctly so I can get you guys your free bumper. But I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe again, and I'll talk to you guys next week.